Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we have an unboxing of a pair of shoes that I ordered in July of last year, and the manufacturer had a hard time with the getting the shell Cordovan for these, so there was a little bit of a delay. But Costas over at the Noble Shoe kept in touch, and we were able to get these going as soon as they were able to get the leather. And I'm very excited to see these in person. I posted a photo of these that he sent me. Of course, the bags that come with it, the shoehorn, always consistent and very generous in what they provide. And here we are. And give these a good workout with some materials. It looks like there's some splotchiness here. I'm not sure what that is. Normally, shell Cordovan will give off a little bit of discoloration, which is perfectly normal, but I've never seen that. But we'll have to take a look at it as I do this next piece here. This has some of the same. Now it's a very interesting design. You know, it's kind of a narrow shoe. They've got the broguing is kind of laid on top of a hole cut. So they are actually hole cuts. 270 welt. Got some bevel here on the edge. The hand grade soles, and a little bit of I can feel the edge here a little bit and here. So I'm gonna have to watch that as I walk on my wood floors for a little bit, but no big deal. Certainly something to look at. But here, as we look at these, it's just a very interesting color. It's got a very brownish burgundy, which I like. I think it's going to be a really good addition to the stable. I'm just going to move the light over here a little bit, get a little bit more of that color, and I'm going to step over here and pull out one of my brushes so that I can take a look at this in more earnestness. Now, when you have shell Cordovan, as I said, the bloom, which is what you normally get, will happen, and that's usually like white. And so having this discoloration on the shoes itself is different. It's just an interesting pattern I don't think I've ever seen before. Now they're in the trees that I ordered, which is nice. Size that I ordered, which of course is good. And they have a little burnishing up at the top here. This pattern in the leather, I don't know what that is or what it's from. They were well wrapped. And it is clear on both shoes. So I will have to reach out to Costas and ask him about it. And I may just hit this with some Cordovan cream first to see what that does. I have a burgundy Cordovan cream, and so that may just take care of it. But normally, this is my 24th pair of Cordovan shoes in my active rotation right now. And I can honestly say I've never, ever seen that before. So this is what I expected. This kind of patina. But the splotches, that is definitely new. So more to follow. Thanks for tuning in.